Wells Fargo's digital wallet features are here to simplify your life and secure your transactions, allowing you to pay swiftly and manage your cards with ease. Let's first look at setting up mobile payments with Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Open your Wells Fargo mobile banking app. Tap on Cards at the bottom of the screen. Select the card you wish to add to your mobile wallet. Now look for the Add to Apple Wallet, Add to Google Pay, or Add to Samsung Pay button and simply tap it. Follow the on-screen prompts from the respective digital wallet provider to confirm your card details and complete the setup process. Once added, you can use your phone to pay everywhere mobile payments are accepted by holding your device near the payment terminal. Next, managing your cards within the Wells Fargo app is incredibly convenient. From the cards section of the app, you can view your transaction history for each card. You can also quickly lock or unlock a card if it's misplaced, giving you peace of mind. Additionally, you can easily activate a new card or report a card as lost or stolen directly from the app. With these seamless options, Wells Fargo's digital wallet features empower you to manage your finances efficiently and make secure payments on the go. Enjoy the convenience.